Before the sun rises, they're already rolling. Rain, ice, snow, or blazing heat. No matter the weather, our sanitation crews are out early, working hard to keep early clean and beautiful for everyone. Residential services are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Our crew service 1,007 residential dumpsters across the city. That's over 1,000 stops in just 2 days. Completed with efficiency, consistency, and care to keep your neighborhood looking its best. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are dedicated to our local businesses. With 143 commercial dumpsters serviced up to 3 times per week, our team helps maintain a clean, professional environment that supports Early's economy. Need help with the big stuff? We've got you covered. Brush pickup runs on the first Tuesday of every month, adding up to an estimated 767 pickups a year. Bulk item pickups total around 293 annually. From curbside to commercial and everything in between, we're proud to serve the city of Early, helping keep our streets safe and properties tidy. This is sanitation done right.